Yo, why did this guy not let us just like stun this dude? I'm dead.
Man, you're so fucking dumb.
I saw him run into it.
I was just having a walk. Dude. So I need to walk around. Fucking this nigga just shoot out his little tiny.
It's a good spot to pop cooldowns, honestly. I should've.
Oh god, it hurts.
Oh, thanks for the interrupt, guys.
Yeah, Matt. Yeah.
What happened?
There's an ability there that needs to be interrupted, and you had your interrupt up. You're the only one.
There's no shot I'm the only one with an interrupt up.
There you were. We have 4 interrupts in between us. There goes mine. Enos is on cooldown for 4 more seconds.
Yeah, I got next. Don't need it though.
You don't even need to interrupt that.
I did
Yeah,
anyway.
good for you.
Yo, Matt,
What? Just chill out, bro.
get out my ear,
What?
bro.
Uh-oh.
Oh. It is so bad.
I'm passing out. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
That's crazy.
It's blurry. Everything's blurry. I got knocked up with a storm at like 4 times.
Oh,
my god.
this dude's whole fucking body's going through convulsions right now.
My tears actually coming down.
Fucking internal organs are moving, bro.
It's like every time I hiccup, it makes me burp.
I've been inhaling so much air, bro.
I can't. Please just stop.
He's being tortured right now.
He's on his body, please.
Body, please. It sounds like it hurts, bro.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
it's crazy how easy 8s are.